Afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great travel trailer toy hauler value from Parkway RV Center. Maybe I should say mini toy hauler value. This is a 2017 Cherokee Wolfpup Limited 17 RP. This little guy is only 20 feet long, and that's including the tongue, and it weighs under 3,000 pounds. So for those of you guys wanting a lightweight toy hauler, small, here it is. I mean, you're getting into pop-up weight territory right here. Looking around it, folks, it looks great. Front decals, somebody's removed the Wolfpup and starting to peel a little bit around the edges, but unfortunately that happens sometimes with used campers. But other than the front, I mean, this thing's great. Single axle, easy to turn. Got an outside shower and inside too, of course. 30 amp power service. See if I can show you the garage door on the back here. Got the little garage ramp door on the back. You know, this is perfect. It actually has a 10-foot garage bay in it. So, if you're wanting a simple, easy to use toy hauler, here you go. Got a 2,500 pound cargo carrying capacity, and it doesn't show the dry weight here, but the dry weight's 2,965, or we'll say 3,000 pounds, but very lightweight. It's got an awning, got some outside speakers, got a outside TV mount if you want to add a TV to it. 17 RP. You can see the back a little better here. Got some lights back here, some LED lights. Look inside here. Dry weight, 2,958. So, not bad. Like I said, this is pop-up weight right here. No carpet in it. Got plenty of tie downs. The back bay, you've got a sofa that folds up flat against the wall, and it also makes a double bed. You're not going to find many 20-foot campers that have a stationary bed, but it actually has one in the very front. Got a refrigerator, kitchen, got a roof air. Pretty basic, guys. Got a furnace, 2-burner stovetop, got a microwave, stereo, full-size bed in the front with a top bunk. Now, it does have a shower. This is what they call a wet bath, where the entire bathroom is a shower. And you got to realize, folks, you've only got 20 feet of space. You've got 17 feet of interior space. So you can if you wanted a full bath, you'd have to give up the stationary bed. So, you know, which one's more important? A bed that you spend several hours in a day, or a room that you just spend maybe half an hour a day in? So obviously you're going to go with the stationary bed. Nice window right here. Plenty of room in here for a small toy hauler. I mean, you can throw a four-wheeler in here, motorcycle, whatever you need. Neat little camper. Got the pop-out vents. Lightweight. I mean, gosh, folks, 3,000 pounds. That's nothing. I mean, literally, you look at some of these medium-sized loaded-out pop-ups. They weigh that much. Or these high wall pop-ups, they weigh that much. So I mean, that's or more. So this is not bad, and you don't have to crank it up. You don't have to set it up. You got a screen, so on a pretty day like today, you lower that ramp down. You can put a steel cable on it where it's even, or where the floor is flush with the floor in here, and have you a back porch. Put that screen down, keep the bugs out. Obviously, they haven't loaded a lot of stuff in here, because you can see the door has no stains on it, and there's no stains on the floor. So, you know, and you'd be surprised how many people buy toy haulers and don't use them as toy haulers. They like to do, like I said, put that back door down, have your back porch, put your grill out there, a couple of chairs, have the screen to keep the bugs out, enjoy the great outdoors, get plenty of fresh air in the camper. I mean, guys, that's what camping's all about. I mean, enjoying the great outdoors. It's not about what's inside the camper, it's what you do outside the camper. And thing is, though, you've still got the ability to sleep a small family. You've got 2, 3, 4, 5 you can sleep in here. And you probably got enough room in the floor for a small air mattress if you need to sleep another one. So And it's lightweight. You can tow it with the family SUV at 3,000 pounds, folks. You can tow it with even a some minivans. I'm not going to say all of them, but some minivans can even tow a 3,000 pound camper. If you want to know what your vehicle can tow, make sure you go to my website. I've got a tow guide. Very handy thing. You put in your vehicle particulars. I was helping a guy this morning use it, and it was pretty amazing. And the fact is, he called several other dealers, and they all told him different numbers about what he can tow, but I actually showed him, and it matches what he got from his vehicle dealer. So great resource to have. It's easy to use. It's free, no obligation. ParkwayRVCenter.com. It's on the home page, and it's on any page that the towables are on. Toy haulers, travel trailers, fifth wheels, etc. Put your vehicle information in, and it'll tell you what you can tow. Please verify it at some point with your vehicle dealer, because it's deemed reliable, but it's a third-party service, so obviously we can't guarantee it. So please call your vehicle dealer at some point before finalizing a purchase on a camper based on what that tow guide tells you, just to make sure. And everybody that's done that, it's spot on accurate, but you know, I always like to be cautious. You know, it's something you don't want to mess around with. You need to know. I mean, everybody, it's common sense. Everybody needs to know officially what their vehicle's rated to tow. Not a guess. Not somebody telling you, oh, I think it'll tow 5,000, 6,000 pounds, somewhere around there. No, guys, you need to know that information to the exact weight, because let me tell you something. If you're towing over your rated limit and you ever get into an accident, the first thing the insurance company, whether it's your fault or not, when there's a trailer involved, the first thing all the insurance companies involved are going to investigate is how much your camper weighs and what your vehicle's rated to tow. And if you're towing more than you're rated to, you're going to have some problems, whether it was your fault or not. And so please keep that in mind. Don't ever go over your weight rating. It's not worth the risk. I know some dealers tell you that they're conservative on those weight ratings, but guys, I'm telling you from 22 years of experience, play it by the rules when it comes to stuff like that, and follow those rules, because you'll be glad you did if something ever does happen, and hopefully it doesn't. But nice little camper, no smoke, no pet odors. It's clean. It's you know, save you a lot of money off a new one. It's only $11,900. You get this 2017 Wolfpup Limited. It comes with a complete checkout by my certified RV techs. That's done after purchase. We go through, even though this is a small 20-foot camper, we're going to put it through we got a 4-page long inspection process. And if you want to see what it looks like, go to my website, ParkwayRVCenter.com, and click on this listing. And it's under Toy Haulers. And click on the green link underneath the price. It says what we inspect for option A price. You're going to be impressed, folks. You're going to get a fully functional camper, a 2017 Cherokee Wolfpup 17 RP for $11,900. Fully functional, and includes a 90-day nationwide limited warranty. And for your peace of mind, you're probably never going to use it, but it's there for your peace of mind. But, you know, you never know, guys. You know, two things that one thing that no RV tech at any RV dealership has in their toolbox or their tool in their tool bag is a crystal ball. So just in case you got that warranty, you can extend it very affordably if you want to. If you want a quote on that, call us. You never know. Even though, granted, not near as many systems on this one as there are on Class A's and motorhomes. These are very simple. We can check these things out very quickly too after you purchase it. I mean, there's not that much really to check, but we're going to check it all, guys. So if you want to see everything that we're going to do, look on our website. Everything on that list that this unit has will be perfectly functioning. If it's not, we fix it, replace it, repair it at no additional cost to you. So $11,900 is your guaranteed price plus tax. That's it. No fees, no surprises, no add-on gimmicks, no mandatory upgrades, no forced financing. $11,900 is the price. No matter if you go through our finance department, you go through your bank, you pay cash, you trade, or a combination of the three, the price is still the same. A lot of dealers, what they do is they advertise a certain price, but they put in the small print that you have to go through their finance department to get it for that price. What the finance department does, they mark the interest rate up, costing you potentially thousands of dollars in higher RV payments over the life of an RV loan. So you're really not paying that for it. You're paying more. Then a lot of times they make you buy all these extra plans like gap insurance, and they act like you have to buy it, but you really don't. But they imply that you do. So these guys are good, folks. Them Chicago style tactics those guys use are high pressure sales tactics, are legendary for getting unsuspecting people, especially first time buyers, and really taking advantage of them. And before you know it, you buy a $20,000 camper, you leave there, you owe $30,000 on it, on a camper that was priced for $20,000. So keep that in mind, guys. We don't play those games here. The price, that's it, plus tax. If you want to know how much your tax will be, give us a call. We'll give you a sales tax estimate, tell you when and where you have to pay it. Depends on the state you live in and how you're gonna, and how you pay for it. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Nice little toy hauler. It's not going to last long. It's got everything really you need for a couple or even a small family, and carry the toys with you. Even if you don't have toys, this is a great little camper just to use for a regular camper. And you got that ramp door to load it, unload it, have a back porch. I mean, you can do a lot of things with that. Put you a little awning out there if you want to. I mean, just so many different things you can do with a versatile camper like this. And that's why toy haulers are one of the fastest selling types of RVs on the used market, because people have so many uses for them. If you have any questions, folks, give us a call, 706-965-7929. Call before coming to look to verify availability. We're family owned and operated, 51 years. Parkway RV Center retails 500 to 600 used RVs a year because of our prices and our no nonsense, easy, simple and done way of selling campers. You know, nobody likes haggling. We don't haggle here. That's the price. If you want those benefits, nobody likes to work on campers that they buy from a dealer. So that's why we go through the inspection process. That's why we put a warranty on it that we buy on your behalf. That's why we give you also, folks, we give you an orientation after it's been through service, after it's been cleaned up inside and out. We give you an orientation, go through it with you, which you can record the tech if you want to with your phone or camera. He's going to show you how to operate everything, show you how everything works, show you any repairs you had to make, help you hook it to your vehicle and more. If you need safety equipment, folks, we got it. Give us a call for a quote or recommendation on what safety equipment that you are required to have by law and ones that are optional. And we can sell you that stuff if you need it at a lot lower than anybody else will. Guys, our rates, even our rates are lowest of any dealer around here, and we sell parts pretty much at cost. So, you can go up the road to Rip Off World. What they sell you, they'll sell you a weight distribution hitch and sway control and all that stuff for about $1,200. We do it for about $500. So if that'll give you any idea how much less, and it's the exact same brand equipment, put on, set, and everything. So guys, definitely give us a call for your safety equipment. If you're buying a camper from us, we can save you a lot of money, and it's all professionally installed, so you don't have to read the instructions, try to install it yourself, and that's not something you really want to play around with if you've never done it before. If you got any questions, folks, give us a call, 706-965-7929. Sales at parkwayrvcenter.com is our email address. We're located at 5568 Battlefield Parkway in Ringgold, Georgia. We are 15 miles south of Chattanooga, Tennessee, 120 miles north of Atlanta, Georgia. We're right here in northwest Georgia, right before you get to the Tennessee line. We're at exit number 350 on Interstate 75. Get off the exit, turn west 1 mile on your left, or 1.2 to be exact, on your left, and you can't miss us, guys. We've got acres of used RVs, 150 plus in stock, biggest selection in a 500-mile radius of used campers, and got plenty of them, folks, and save you some money. Also got brand new Prowlers that are coming up soon. I've got 4 of them I'm going to be shooting next, brand new Prowlers for used prices as well. So if you're in the market for a towable camper, a travel trailer, I've got them. You want little, big, anything in between, I got them. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing everybody here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia. Also forgot to mention we have delivery available and financing available with approved credit and down payment. Thank you again for watching. Hope to see y'all soon in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.